guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my lecture topic is AUKUS and Quad. The acronym AUKUS stands for Australia, UK and USA. It is a trilateral security pact between Australia, United Kingdom and United States of America. It was signed in 2021. Talking about the aim of AUKUS. The main aim of AUKUS is to strengthen Australia in Indo-Pacific region by providing nuclear submarine technologies, and also there will be an exchange of emerging technologies too. All these three countries are a part of Five Eye Alliance along with New Zealand and Canada. The main motive of this group is to counter China's hegemony in Indo-Pacific region. Now, talking about the Quad. Quad is Quadrilateral Security Dialogue. It is an informal security dialogue between India, Australia, USA and Japan. Talking about the history of Quad. The idea of Quad was first mooted by the Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe in 2007. However, this idea could not move ahead. Later in 2017, it was re-established. Now, the aim of Quad. The aim of Quad is to ensure free, open and prosperous Indo-Pacific region, and also to develop new strategies to keep the critical sea routes free from any influence. All these countries of Quad are participating in the exercise called Malabar exercise to show their capabilities in joint. Now, India and Quad. Quad is very much important for India as it will help India to counter China's influence in the neighboring countries. And also, India is very much important for Quad as India is the only capable country in Asia to counter China. Now, the conclusion. Both the groups, AUKUS and Quad, is focusing to counter China in Indo-Pacific region. However, there are no much positive outcomes from both of the groups. So, both the groups should move towards the positive outcomes to counter China, and also they should act aggressively and speedily. Thank you and have a nice day.